Hello home buyers, David Watt here with the Right Choice Realty, and we are looking at 28 Duncan Lane. We are just off the Golf Club Road in the heart of the city of Fredericton. We're on a little over a 3/4 of an acre lot, completely private, surrounded by trees. And let me tell you, the restoration work that's been done to this beautiful home, it's meticulous. Come on inside and have a look around. This is a custom-built kitchen with dual islands, double-walled oven, custom quartz countertop with extra features, pull-out drawers, and you can't resist this pantry. Solid custom wooden doors, matching shelving, everything you want and more.